Alright, Bryce, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try some magnet fishing. Right, so we've never done this before. Picked up a cheap magnet kit and rope and carabiner and everything off of Amazon for 20 quid. Apparently it's got a 400 kilogram pull, so that should, I'm hoping to find a safe on my first go out, obviously. We found this little spot here. I'm not going to tell you where it is. We'll get down, we'll get set up and have a little go, see what happens. Right, we've never done this before, so I'm guessing we just chuck the magnet in the water and pull it out. Let's give it a go. No safe yet. Don't forget to tie off the end of your rope. Oh, add something then. Yeah, got something. No, have I? Tie off the end. I'll tie it around my waist. There we go. Something. No, I haven't. I had something. Yeah, I think that's probably just a branch or something. Right, there's one more go. We'll give this up as a silly idea. Put this round the neck. There we go. Right. Last go. Distance, less height. Let's try that again. No, not a sausage. What a load of old shite, we'll give that up. Oh, what a load of old toss that was. Shan't be doing that again. If anyone wants a fishing magnet, drop me a line. See you on the next one.